avem plăcerea să vorbim cu doamna DeAnna Lam. Allow me to give you the floor to address a few words to the conference.
Thank you very much. Vă salut, sori și frații din România. Eu sunt în California și vă salut în numele copilul care am fost de 3 ani, care s-a născut în București și a părăsit cu părinții când am avut 3 ani. Vă salut în numele părinții și bunicii mei care nu mai sunt în viața asta. And I will continue in English. For me, it's a closing of a circle. It is a way of connecting back with my roots, and I'm so excited to connect and reach out to you in Romania. I spent my childhood pretending I was not from Romania. I wanted to belong to Israel, where I grew up, to be one like anyone else. However, I forgot, I cut myself off from my roots. And by speaking to you today and connecting with you across the ocean, I'm reweaving the roots that I have left into the woman I became and into the gifts that we have to give each other. In Israel, I worked with Jewish and Palestinian women, and I work around the world with women of all nations, and bringing the Romanian roots in is such a joy to realize that we are connected beyond language, beyond geography, beyond beliefs and politics or culture, that we are women. This is what connects us, and that is the essence of my work. So as I am embracing my Romanian roots and my Israeli heritage and my almost 30 years now of living in California, I would like to greet you with a trilingual poem that I wrote. It's the first one of trilingual that I have created. It is in Hebrew, English, and Romanian, and I would like to offer it to you as a gift. שורשיי לוחשים אליי מן האדמה, my roots whisper כנשימה, îmi șoptesc rădăcinile din pământ. Mă întorc înăuntru și sunt ahat mehen, now and then strămoșii mă cântă înapoi. My ancestors call me to deploy my soul. אני רוקדת את מחול הדורות, weaving generations of blood and bone, שוזרת עד אחרון, ג'נרציה דה סנג'ה, את מעגלי אמותיי, את שיר אבותיי, היי, דנסה זקומינה, ובאחת הנה, we are one.
Super,